A farmer cuts a 300 feet fence into two pieces of different sizes. The longer piece is 4 times as long as the shorter piece. How long are the two pieces? So here, let the shorter piece be, let the shorter piece, here two pieces, so let the shorter piece be like x feet, then the longer piece will be here, the longer piece will be 4x. Total length is here like 300 feet. So total length is 300 feet. So according to the condition, like here you'll get like x plus 4x, x plus 4x equals 300. So 5x is 300. X equals 300 upon 5. So here you'll get like the value of x is 5 times 1, 5 times 60, 5, 6, 30, 60. So the shorter piece is 60 feet, longer piece 4 times x, 4x we consider, so 4 into 60, 4, 6, 24, 240 feet. 240 feet.